Dunhinda Waterfall in Sri Lanka. Dunhinda Waterfall is a beautiful waterfall located in Badulla district, Sri Lanka. It is about 5 kilometers away from the town of Badulla. The word Dunhida translates to smoky waterfall in the Sinhala language, referring to the misty spray that rises from the base of the waterfall. The waterfall is surrounded by lush greenery and scenic landscapes, making it a popular tourist attraction in Sri Lanka. It is situated within the Dunhida rainforest, which is home to a variety of flora and fauna. To reach the waterfall, you need to embark on a short trek through the rainforest, which adds to the adventure. Dunhida Waterfall is about 64 meters in height, and its cascading water creates a picturesque sight. The waterfall descends down a series of rock formations, creating multiple smaller falls along the way. The pool at the base of the waterfall offers a refreshing place to take a dip or simply enjoy the view. Dunhida Waterfall is often praised for its natural beauty and serene atmosphere. Visitors appreciate the scenic trek through the lush rainforest to reach the waterfall, which adds an adventurous element to the experience. The surrounding greenery, including the rich flora and fauna, creates a picturesque backdrop for the waterfall. Many visitors are impressed by the powerful flow of the water and the misty spray that rises from the base, giving the waterfall an ethereal and smoky appearance. It's important to note that during the rainy season, the volume of water can significantly increase, making the waterfall even more majestic, but also potentially more challenging to access due to slippery paths and strong currents. It's advisable to exercise caution and follow any safety guidelines provided by local authorities or guides. Thank you for watching my channel and subscribe my channel.